Hi guys, good morning guys. How are you guys? So people doing great and today. So because actually very happy right now. So actually guys, I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. So because actually I'm sit here. So actually I am warming here right now because actually very cold today, guys. So because uh, actually the little bit rant yesterday the last night, so because actually on this time the weather so wonderful weather, so because actually very happy right now. So actually I am burning in this paper and this paper, so because so as well is doing and improving my English. So this is my English blog. So guys, you can see now and warming my hand. Wow, right now. Please welcome back in this channel. So you are very interested to learn English and please most welcome in this channel. So actually my channel name is Speak English with Anil. So because actually my blog is very special. So because actually I'm taking this once again, it's burning. So guys, today, so I would like to say that, and because and this weather today weather is so wonderful because actually very cold, and today because actually I'm so great happy and today. So actually I was explore and this room right now. So because actually you can see guys the behind a lot hoodens the standing. So every day actually I'm warming here. So right now, so this is my English blog. So guys, I'm so very excited to be here right now. So I hope people's doing great and this time. So because guys, so this is my I'm very happy. So actually, please join these channels for learn English. You are very interested to learn English, and thank you. Actually, today is a very special day because guys, actually, merry very Christmas to all guys, and so very great today. So because I'm so happy right now. So because actually I am about to go take a shower, and this time then I come back so wearing put on cloth and then the worship and then I prepare breakfast. So guys, I hope you are great and today. So right now, so because actually I have to go early in the shop today because and today is the Christmas day. So people are celebrating and very special and Christmas. So would you like to celebrate? Please join us in this channel. So I'm so great happy right now. So I want to show you and everything. This is very happy, and this time the sunrise and you can see sunrise. Oh my god, and you can see sky now, so sunrise and this time, so very happy. So actually I was explore and this roof right now as well. Actually I'm doing the warming hand. So because actually I'm very happy, right? So because actually and today is a very fog, so something all is around and there. But actually I'm doing in the something important, guys. Please subscribe my channel so that you will get know. It's long time so no any video uploaded on my YouTube Speak English with Anil. So guys, this is little bit of the channel, so please subscribe and this channels for learning English, and this channel the English blog and for learning English. So guys, I hope you are so great today. And guys, so do one thing. So please speak English, and you should practice and every day because the English in the global language, because and everyone need speak English anywhere. So guys, please dress well, going uh, dress well uh, dress well before going outdoor. So because actually I hope you are great and today, so very happy right now. So I'm so great happy and today. So explore actually I have to go to the take a shower and this time because actually my time is overall completed. So guys, I will meet you the next video. I hope you the people are great and doing the please and please wearing cloth and always, so because actually I'm very cold, so please protect yourself. I hope that the people is great and today. So guys, I would like to tell me actually I'm so great, I am well, and this time actually I'm learning and vocabularies and explore and this terrace. So now, so guys, bye bye, take care, we will meet you next video. Bye, love you guys, bye bye.